In Islamabad, Pakistan, a car collection like no other. Raja Mujahid Zafar's passion knows no bounds. From pop culture gems to historic machines, his 40-strong fleet is a marvel. Zafar hails from a wealthy family in Rawalpindi with a background in real estate. He himself works in agriculture, cattle farming and fishing. As a young boy, he once witnessed a classic car being dismantled. The glint of shiny metal was irresistible to him, and a passion for old machines was sparked.
I was about at the age of 20. I purchased a car named Wolseley. It's a British made, and I restored it. And then I kept on restoring the cars, and from the year, you could say 1985, 86, I'm still doing the job and restoring the cars.
Tucked away in his somewhat palatial home in Islamabad are his treasured machines. All the vintage cars he owns have been purchased in Pakistan in varying states of disrepair. He then works on them and painstakingly restores them to their former glory. Obtaining spares is a hassle, and most parts have to be shipped in from the US or Europe.
When I started collecting cars, I had no idea that one day I would be having such a big collection. It took me almost 34, 35 years to reaching at this point.
Zafar has now requested local authorities to help him turn his collection into a car museum open to the public.
I want to integrate this museum into an educational institution so that when the students from all over Pakistan come to this place, they can get them educated that how the car developed and how it is in the developing form now. And my objective from the day first was not to earn any money or not to show off or not to spend extra money on these cars. I restored them with love, and I try to restore them with all original parts.
His collection includes this 1959 Peugeot 203, the first car the company manufactured after World War II. A Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, a car made popular by James Bond movies, and a machine beloved by celebrities like Muhammad Ali. And this Wimbledon white Ford Mustang. A car that would also reach new levels of popularity when driven by Bond girl Tanya Mallet in Goldfinger, but was immortalized by Steve McQueen in Bullet in what's considered one of cinema's greatest ever car chase scenes. But the jewel in the Zafar car collection crown is this Mercedes 170V. The most popular three-pointed star before the Second World War. And the car that eventually led to the Marque's Renaissance after World War II.
Never collect cars on the basis of what does they worth and how can I sell them. I never try to sell them. Maybe when I'm not in this world, maybe my children or grandchildren may sell it, but I am not in a mood to sell any of my cars.
If you want to see more classic car videos, subscribe to DW Rev.